Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're comparing two mid-range CPU titans, the Intel Core i5-1240OF and the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. We'll be breaking down their features and performance based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the price. The Intel Core i5-1240OF is priced at around $206. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is more budget-friendly at $159. Amazon reviewers have noted that the Ryzen 5500 offers great value for its price, making it an attractive option for budget builds. Now, let's dive into the specifications. The Intel Core i5-1240OF comes with 6 P-cores and a turbo frequency of up to 4.4 GHz. It fits into an LGA 1700 socket and has a base power of 65 W. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and reliability, especially for gaming. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500, while not boasting the same turbo frequency details, delivers solid performance for its price. It's a great choice for those who favor AMD's architecture. Let's move on to the physical aspects. The Intel Core i5-1240OF measures 4.9 2 inches long, 4.3 3 inches wide, and 3.18 inches high, weighing 0.99 pounds. Meanwhile, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is slightly larger at 5.4 3 inches long, 5.27 inches wide, and 2.86 inches high, weighing 0.97 pounds. If portability is a concern, the Ryzen 5 5500 is a tad lighter. Now, let's discuss performance. The Intel Core i5-1240OF excels in single-thread performance, making it a top choice for gaming and everyday tasks. Reviewers have praised its efficiency and speed, likening it to the Usain Bolt of CPUs. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 shines in multi-thread performance, making it perfect for multitasking and productivity. It's been compared to the Michael Phelps of CPUs. Steady and reliable. Amazon reviews highlight its great performance in budget builds, especially for gaming. Overall, the Intel Core i5-1240OF receives high praise for its gaming performance and efficiency, though some users note thermal concerns. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is celebrated for its value and solid performance in budget builds, though it may be limited by its RAM speed and PCIe 3.0 connectivity. So, there you have it. The AMD Ryzen 5500 is a fantastic choice for those on a budget, while the Intel Core i5-1240OF offers peak performance for a bit more cash. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.